Hello everyone, so welcome again to yet another video of React. So in this video we will try to explore more about use state and everything. So let's get down. So before we begin that, I wanted to just give you certain like tips and tricks, like how to use the developer tools to code better and check in the UI itself whatever styles you are applying, how it is being applied and all. So let's get down here and let's select this element here. So here we can see all the styles that has been applied here. Height is this much, box is this much. Okay, nice. So I want to give it some more styling. So how can we do it? So from here we can just go here, and if I want to give some width, then I can give it here as well, 200 pixel. Let's see. So you saw I can apply directly from here, and I can see how much width I would like to have and all. So you can just check it. And now once you have confirmed how much you want the width to be, like 400 I want, then you can just copy paste this and go to your VS Code, and inside this CSS you can just paste it and save it, and this thing will be applied permanently. Okay, great. So and now if you want to use bootstrap classes here only, then how you can do it? Let me remove it and refresh it. Okay, it won't be removed because I already gave this width. So if you want to remove something and check how it looks, here you can click it. Here also you can remove it, then you can click here and remove it and check. Okay, how was it? Nice, right? So now let's see how we can use classes here. So you can see here however then classes, then you can click here, and here you can apply whatever width you would like to have, 25, 50, 75. Okay, directly using the classes. 50 you selected, now W50 you can give, and it will look like this. Nice, wasn't it nice? Yeah, it was. Now if I want to give margin, let's give it auto, so it will come in center. Right now it's looking perfect. I can give some margin top as well. Let's see. Okay, 5 is good. Yeah, so all this I gave, but if I'll refresh, all will be gone, right? So you can keep a note of whatever things you want to have. If you will remove this, then this will be gone, right? Whatever classes are being applied, so you can have a track of this. So these are bootstrap classes. So I will go here in my app.jsx. I will try to write every class that I wrote there. 50, then the empty 5 was there. Now I will save, and this will be applied permanently here. Okay, wasn't it cool? Wasn't it nice? Yeah. Okay, I will stop bragging about myself. Now I will go here. Okay, now the cool developer is here. Now I will make some counter. Okay, like let's take a small box or just some counter. Okay, I'll just write a counter here. I can take a p tag. Okay, nice. I will write counter here, and if I want to give some count, then I can go down and I can give it here the some value. I will pass it here. First let me declare a state, const count dash set count, and I will call use state here. Okay, once I do this, this will be imported here. I have certain extension that allows me to just write some part and then enter, and it will be reflected here. But If you are doing it for the first time, you can write it and import it like this. Okay, now I will pass this count here, but wait, it is empty. I haven't passed any initial value, so let's see what it will show here. Counter is there, but nothing is getting shown. So as you can see, it is very small as well. Let's increase the size. So as you can see here, it is appearing very like small. Let's give it some style. So here we will select class, and what is the font size or something, text. No, fs, what was it, fs? Yeah, so fs we will give 1. Now it is quite clearly visible, right? Fw is for like how much bold you want, bolder, light, or what should be the font weight. Okay, so I'll give it as bold. Nice. If you want to give it some other styles also, you can have it, but it is good enough for now. So I will just copy paste this styling here. Let's see, class name fs1 fw bold. Now it will be permanently fixed here. Now I can't see anything here, right? So I'll pass some value here. So let's discuss something about the use state as well, right? So what is use state? Use state is used to store state, like variables, anything, any object you want to store. You can store anything inside use state, but what makes it different from other variables is like whenever you will change anything, it will re-render the whole component, and that's how React works, and this hook is very useful. Okay, so let me just elaborate the syntax for you. So this is stores the variable or whatever the state is, the current state it will store. And what this set count will do, it acts like a function. Whenever we increase, or if we want to increase the count, it will act as a function, and it will take the variables and it will increase it or decrease it, right? And this is the one who re-renders the entire component, right? So 0 we passed, you can see the initial value appearing here, right? Now what to do next? Like we have a function click me, I will like remove it, and here I will just write add plus add. Okay, and I will like make a similar button in down side, so it will danger I will give, and I will change it to success. Okay, add, and I will write here sub means subtract, or minus you can write. Okay, whatever you want, feel free to use it. Okay, minus I wrote, add and minus. Now let's see, now both buttons are visible. Okay, if you want to give some more styling, you can like play around with the bootstrap. Otherwise I'm here to guide you if you are having any issues, but for this video this much is enough. Okay, so I will increase the size of this also, so that it is quite clearly visible to you guys. Okay, not first 2 we can give, right? 3 is fine, I think 3 is fine. Okay, nice. Font weight also I will give. Okay, bolder, lighter, medium is fine for this. Yeah, now let's go here and change it as well. Class name, what was that, fs3 and fw medium. Okay, and then plus minus I will increase the height of this as well, because the background is not fully covering it. Okay, 500 I gave. Now you can see till the whole head is occupying a lot of space, so I will decrease it to 400 or 300. 300 will be fine. Okay, now it is good. Alright, you can do any styling you want. For this video I am just covering you straight. Okay, no issues. So now if I am clicking on add, nothing is working. If I am clicking on minus also, nothing is working. Why? See, add minus, nothing is working, right? So why? Because I haven't called any function here, right? So what function we will call? On click function. Okay, here also I will put one on click function, but here also we need to pass something. What we are going to pass, because we need to store the variable inside this, so set count is the one who will store it inside and re-render the components. So we will call it set state. Here we will make a arrow function. Here we will write set count, and inside this what we are going to pass? Count plus 1. Okay, and here what we are going to do? Set count minus 1. So it can go both ways. It can be correct, there might be some issues as well. Let's see whether I have implemented it correctly or not. Do you guys really don't trust me on my abilities, right? Let's see. Okay, yeah, can you see it? It's working, right? Now let's press minus. Okay, it is also working fine. So we saw how use state works. Whenever we are clicking, it will get render. It will render the whole component. Now what if we just use a simple variable? Then what will happen, right? Let's see. Let's remove this count. Okay, let's just use count. Okay, count is equal to 0. Nice. Now what if I'm calling this function? Then I will just increase count plus 1. Okay, and I will here also I will do count minus 1. Okay, and I will console count here, console.log count. Let's see, printing count. Okay, now let's see, because here also I'm increasing, right? Count 1, count minus 1. Let's see whether it will work or not. See, nothing is working. Let's see the console, what is going on with the count. Yeah, I clicked, nothing happened. Click, nothing happened. Nothing is happening because this component is not getting re-rendered. So this is what separates a simple variable from a use state variable, right? Because whenever a variable inside use state changes, the whole component is re-rendered and the values get reflected on the DOM, right? So this was it for this video. Let me know if you liked the video, and if you are finding any trouble, you can let me know. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Okay, feel free to ask anything you want. And yeah, so again let's test it out. Yeah, this minus also getting printed, plus also getting printed. You want to see the count as well? Let's see the count. Yeah, no issues. See, I am not like the rest of the content creators here. Okay, I just dynamically create content, no preparation, nothing. Okay, so printing count 4, minus also printing count 2. Okay, so this was it. This was all I wanted to cover in this video. Please let me know if you have any issues, any doubts, anything in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye, take care.